Hello. Today is 19th of July 2024. It is Friday, and we are looking on ES contracts. So, market is about to open in 2 minutes. I already put my yesterday's high, yesterday's low, London sell side, and London buy side. We need to put London buy side here as well. London buy side is here. We didn't have any news. That is the London buy side. So London buy side has not been taken yet. All right. Yesterday we made $500 and we walked away, and that was a good decision. How am I going to play this? So as you can see, overnight we took yesterday's low by 1 point. Now we are dropping. We took this candle, this one. We're dropping into that level. And I am thinking long. I got 15 more seconds. Yes, we could drop to the bottom and take the London sell side, definitely. I'm gonna look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is looking a little bit better, a bit higher in the range. Yeah, there we go. Look, we got some buyers. But I'll just give it a little bit of time. See how we're gonna play that. It's a perfect place to buy this thing somewhere. I mean, come on, what was that already? Like a jump, 83 to 89. God damn it! Like 9 points immediately. So yes, I definitely want to buy this somewhere here. Should have bought it there, but let's just wait a little bit and see if they're gonna go and grab that 15 minutes as well. Don't want to rush. Here's the view up. We're watching 15 minutes candle. And here's 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes here. No. It's supposed to be 5 minutes. Alright. So we have 5 minutes. So far, yep, a little bit of hesitation in the open. We're gonna have 2 contracts. Let's see how they're gonna play this. So we're gonna push straight away, or we're gonna drop first. The way I see it, yes, we could go down here as well, but we can go to the London sell side. Let's quickly have a look one more time. It was 70.25 and that was 68.50. So 1 point and 25. 1 point and a quarter. 1 point and a quarter. And financial juice here, just to know what's going on. We're not expecting any news. They already played all the news, nothing here today. So market is getting back into the same level. It's first for the first 5 minutes. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is going to finish. What Nasdaq is doing. Okay, Nasdaq did the same thing. I mean, this is long. Anyway, you're going to look at that. This is, unless they want to continue long. But now they took the 15 minute. I'm long. They did take the 15-minute candle. I want to be long. And tick chart is below 0. Okay, fine. Let's see how much you can grab on that thing. I'm going to be very quick with grabbing. I want to see push back into VWAP. See if we can get that. Can we get that? God damn it. Alright, this is looking good. I'm gonna sell one contract here just to bank something. Because I'm looking at 1 minute, we're just tapping into this fair value gap on 1 minute. Fine. So yeah, it's looking good. Biden is about to exit race. I'll be honest with you. Push the view up. Oh, God damn it. Wanted to take that. It was like 300 on my hands. Should have taken it. Let's see if we how this candle is going to finish. It's 5 minutes candle. Come on, push higher. Get me. Tick chart is pumping higher like that. This is this fair value gap on 1 minute. This is the problem. Or we could just stay here for a while, bounce back and forward. The worst thing is like you're gonna be stopped. My stop loss is too high. Let's just go, just basically break even, and that's it. Hopefully we will push through that view up. I mean, even if we drop, I still want to be in the long. Because this is fair value gap. It was quite decisive move up. If you look at that closely, you know, and we could push through that and push into this fair value gap at 93 and even higher. Yeah. Back to VWAP for the second time. Let's see. tempted to take this. That would basically bring me into my daily target of 600, 500, 600. Looking at the tick chart, that's the only tool that I have that I can use. It does look like they want to push. There we go. There she goes. A lovely push. That means we have to look below. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful push. Gonna take it here. I know. You're going to say like, oh, why did you take that? You know, in this push. I'm taking it because of a further I go here. I know we might push higher. That's the target. It's like a first target. But my goal now is to grab. And we were yesterday we started this account 50,000. We made like 500 yesterday. Now we just made $700 on these two contracts. Account history. You can have a look. 550 and 225. You got to take it, man. I mean, yes, you can hold. You can be brave. You know how many times we were holding, and we stopped. There you go. She's going. So now I have a confirmation they are going higher. Any kind of pullback. Back to view up. I'm gonna be buying. I want to buy somewhere here. If I can get that price. No, probably not gonna get it. It's gonna keep pumping it. Beautiful push. Wow. So they sold into that liquidity. What that means that this transaction to buy that and that is all here. It's over. Yes, we can continue and sell Asia buy side, but at this point, transaction has completed. We took $700 out of it. Not too shabby. Yes, you might feel like, wish we stayed a bit longer in this because we had extra. What was this? I don't know, 8 points, another $400. But it's alright. Picture is strong, it's pushing higher. I've got a lot of imbalances here now, so and they have sold into this liquidity. You can scalp it to the downside if you want to, but in my opinion, that is long. Unless they're gonna dump it and go and grab it. Think about it. How we opened. So we opened here. We dipped in here, and then started to push. So we have early longs right now in that move. I was a part of that early longs. What do they do with early longs? Usually they drop the price. Once they sell, they drop the price and they go then to collect it. Doesn't mean it has to happen today. It can happen. But doesn't. It did happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Happened every day, but that doesn't mean it's gonna happen today. It's Friday, and Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq matched that. No, we didn't push through this. We did not push through this level. On ES, we didn't push through that level. I'm gonna remove this stuff because it's confusing. This level are from other day. Oh, look at that. Back to, what did I say? I sold somewhere here. I'll just give it time now. Let's have a look what I'm gonna do. Look at this. So we have this early longs. How about we're just gonna go and continue long? Yes, we can. We should bounce from here. I'm gonna buy that because that's a view up. That's another fair value gap. I want to buy this and see what's gonna happen. I don't think we're gonna get a big push. It might be just really small bounce. Oh, yeah, it's not even happening. It's not even happening. Okay, we need to get up from that. Back to view up. We should test the view up one more time. Okay, I'm out. I'm gonna take that $62 loss. As I said, transaction is over. I was expecting we might get a little bit of bounce and then we're gonna go, but it's not gonna happen. I'm not really happy with that. I don't want to buy this anymore. We could continue lower. I know there's a fair value gap, but we got this very fair value gaps as well. We are trading under view up. No. I think they can play what they've been playing all week. Drop into London south side. There's a lot of longs on the push. Let's quickly have a look on volume. Profile, here it is. Volume profile, that's the majority of volume. The push was into the top of the volume, so yeah, I think we could continue lower now. So far we're $664 up. We took 2 trades, one win, one loss. Loss was very small. only $60, $70. Let's wait for the price to develop. I think there is a big possibility right now as we sold into this, then they're gonna go lower. I don't know how far they're gonna drop, but they can drop. I will open another chart and we'll look at 4 hours, or maybe even daily. Let's have a look on daily first. Okay, so what we're doing, we're just tapping into this area of liquidity. It will act as a kind of like an order block. We have a lot of trapped shorts here. You know, every time price goes down, trapped shorts will be getting out. So there will be a uplift. There will be a pressure to go higher. Actually, I want to see the 4 hours now, because I want to look at the volume profile as well. I'll let this load. I'm not gonna watch this here. Don't know why this computer is so slow now. I guess this is because of OBS. OBS is recording, just slowing things down. Okay, so this is Nasdaq. Bear in mind they did not take that high. They left it. Let's quickly have a look here. Nvidia looks good for bounce higher. Intel looks terrible. Alphabet push dropping. Microsoft pushed nicely up. Let's see, Meta and others. Amazon, Meta. Okay, Amazon took that low, bouncing. Meta bouncing. Tesla falling. All right, I mean it's better. Okay, it's kind of pushing off the lows. So yeah, I mean, how's this thing going? Are you gonna load it, chart? Can I have that? Where's my volume profile here? Okay, so every time we tap into that liquidity here, we'll have a little bit of a resistance. Sorry, support. Okay, we're not falling. We are not falling. It's 53. That's 7 more minutes. We do have liquidity up here, Asian buy side. I will not go 2 contracts. I'm gonna go just 1 contract. If I'm gonna trade now, I'm gonna trade only with 1 contract. as I'm not sure which way this 15 minutes. Okay, so we did grab that long, we were in this long, now we dropped, we're holding above you up again. Five minutes. Fair value gaps. That was a good entry for short. Take shot above zero. I don't know, I think we're gonna go lower. It looks like you could just get down there. They have completed transaction really. This push was 1.25, right? Yeah, that's enough. And they immediately sold. And now picture is pushing higher, so the buyers are coming in. 5 more minutes. Now it's looking bullish. But just gonna wait 5 more minutes and see. Because we have stop losses now up here, but we already took that. We have stop losses down here as well. We could go to the bottom. We're in the middle of this range. Nvidia was pushing high. Tesla is bouncing. Amazon is bouncing. Meta bouncing. Nvidia is trying. Intel dropping. Microsoft. Kind of mixed bag. It's looking like a long. Back into this fair value gap. $57. 3 more minutes. If this fails, we go down. Then we're gonna go down lower. So I'm gonna watch. Okay, let's go short. Let's see if that would work. I'm gonna be very quick. Got 2 more minutes. It's not gonna work. I'm out. My stop loss is basically up here. That's it. Tick chart is dropping. My target will be below this low. Hopefully we're going to drop 59. I mean, at this point, stop loss is break even. And I want a swift move to the downside. Break that view up. And created a fair value gap, bearish one in 1 minute. Another 5 minutes. 5 minutes candle finished bearishly. Very bearishly. Everybody can see it. I don't think we're gonna have buyers here. Tick chart is trying. But I think it's time to dump it. Break the view up. There we go. Breaking view up. Continue lower. Where's my target? At bottom of this range. Here. They will go and grab the 15 minutes. But I want to be in front of it because I don't like to. I mean, yeah, I just want to be here. That's it. Risk off. I'm just holding now. I mean, if we get back above view up, I have to close. That's what I didn't want to see. Okay. We have 2 more minutes on this candle. Let's see if we continue to the bottom of this range. We should. It looks like it. Rejection from the top. First of all, transaction completed. The second try didn't work. Off the fair value gap here, 1 minute, and now we are pushing lower. And obviously they want to load some Jesus. They want to load some shorts, right, to make money, and they're going to be selling it into that level. I mean, covering the shorts into that level. Quickly have a look on the 15 minutes. Oh, yes. Let's not forget about this. 15 minutes is 86 and a quarter. So my target needs to be here, because we will reverse the moment we take that. We'll reverse the moment we take the 15-minute candle bottom. So unfortunately, I cannot hold it till the bottom because I have only one contract. Come on. One tick above, 2 ticks above. So we get that target. And yes, market could continue lower. Most likely it will continue lower. Hmm. Let's yeah, they will need to push through it on one tick, so let's just do that. Come on, update that thing. It takes ages to update. Alright. Yes, we can drop here, or you can even go to the bottom. Bottom of the bottom. But an ideal scenario would be to grab the low. But I'm gonna stay here because that's what my chart dictates. I'm using this 15-minute swaps in my strategy, so I'm gonna get greedy and try to take more than that, but they can reverse, come back up here, stop me from nothing, and it'll be frustrating. I'm sitting on the $350. I can get 475 if we get down there. I just need to watch here. We can't climb above that view up. The moment we do, I'm out. So my stop loss, where's my stop loss here? Do I have stop loss on this? Interesting, I can't even see stop loss. Oh, unless my stop loss is break even. I think my stop loss is break even, from what I remember. Okay, that was nice push into view up. Droppage. What's that? Okay, we just pushed the both view up. I don't like that. I don't like this. Tick chart is bouncing. I think we're gonna be stopped. Okay, they took that 5-minute candle top. I like that. Let's see. If we collapse now, they're gonna continue. Very painful to see this reverse. 8 past 8 past 10. They don't really have a reason now to go higher because I think about what they took. They didn't take the 15-minute candle. I think it's just the bounce to take everybody out who is short, because this candle will collapse now, get to the bottom, and when they do it, we will go and grab that low. That was just a front running of the 15-minute candle. That's what I'm thinking, but I don't know if I'm right. No. Am I gonna be stopped? If I'm stopped here about that, then this is the end for me today. That means I'm not reading this market correctly, and it will become more and more difficult to trade. Yeah, I'm stopped. Painful, but that's what it is. This front running here. I mean, we can still try short this. This is big candle. This is big candle. 10 past. Do we want to try one more time here? This big candle. Let's see what they've done. Okay, so they dropped down here. Now they're pumping. Yeah, no, we're sitting above view up. This candle dropped, closed above. Looks like we're gonna go higher. We have been trading here from the open for half an hour. Yeah, we've been sitting on like $350 there. We didn't take it, so I should have put my stop loss above the view up here. I mean target or stop loss. Should have, would have. Four more minutes on this 15-minute candle. There's the top of the 15-minute candle. So we took 3 trades. First one was winning. Second one was a little bit of loss. Third one, break even. They've been front running this opening price. Took chart above zero line. $12 past. It's 3 more minutes. Are they going to grab that 15-minute now? They lowered a lot of longs. They did sell here. They lowered a lot of longs. Still tempted, you know. I'm still tempted. Still, this is still looking like that. There you go. I'm gonna go short here. I think maybe go short somewhere here. Let's see if this thing is gonna give me the price I wanted to trade. More or less. Okay, my target would be still this. Just a little bit. This is not a day. We're trading 88. Come on. There'll be another 15-minute countdown now. In 1 minute. Nah. Let's not be so greedy. That's pretty much what you can get. No more than that. Okay, I want to close this. Come on. Alright. I think we made some money on this. That's very slow, actually. OBS is slowing down everything. It says 150. I'm still in the trade. What's going on? So you didn't close? Fucking hell. Because the update came after the price pushed through that thing? I don't understand. It's not right. See how they're bouncing off the 15 minutes? When they grab the 15 minute, they're bouncing off of it. That's why you have to take profit. And I wanted to take profit and it didn't work. And now we have a bounce and I'm gonna have a loss on this trade. Because of some technical issues here. That's so fucking frustrating. Oh, that is just so frustrating. You know what the thing does to you. See, big ass candle. You're supposed to grab 175. God damn it, I pressed the button. Why? Why you did not close my position when I told you so? Why? Okay. I'm reversing because this is long now. Ah. Okay, I can't play with this thing. I'll just close everything because this is becoming a little bit crazy, I think. I've got too many of them open and it's just getting confusing. So let's have a look. Yeah, I want to be long. Yeah, probably not the way, not where I want it. So look at this. We were grabbing 175. Pressed the button to close when we were entering here, and we didn't get that. Instead of this week, we got a loss of $187 because my technical issues here, because of this whole thing is just too slow. And very now is a psychology thing, kicking in. Look at it. You didn't grab. I don't know what the fuck is my. You didn't grab that. Nah, honestly, man. They didn't close when they supposed to close. They didn't close when they supposed to close. And now I'm angry. I took a loss instead of win. And this is crazy. This was just a revenge kind of trade, which is causing another loss. And I'm turning a $700 day into, at this point, I'm going to be 300 up if I close it. If I close it. Yeah, I should stop that here, not there. And that's a psychological behavior. Look at it. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna hold it now. And that's really bad. That is really, really bad. Okay. But fuck that. Fuck this thing. Out, 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 out. Alright. Just leave it, man. Just leave it. We are $100 up. So we lost $500 on this crap because it didn't work. I mean, they're gonna go down now. So look at my psychology kicking in right now. Look at that. Look at this. I'm selling. It's something I have never been able to conquer. That's why I told myself I have to limit myself in trading to not to trade. Okay, I'm gonna put this target is here. Look, they took the 15-minute candle again. Come on. Put the target there. I don't know, man. Maybe I should remove that. I have this here and I don't have this there. Okay, it's here. I think they're gonna pull this now. Like really drop it. But I mean, to be fair, I was closing this. I pressed the close button when we enter here. I was closing it, and I should treat this as a positive day, as I have made money. It was $800. I wouldn't do anything stupid after that. But in my opinion, we are dumping. We're gonna even add right now, and we will close one trade here. How long is this gonna? Come on, give me the thing. Okay. Oh, sorry, trade. I want to buy one here. Come on. I want to buy one there. Okay. Will you go down there? Good. Now we're going to keep the button here. Oops. Right. Might even move this a little bit higher just to make sure we get that. They took both of those 15-minute candles now. Looks doesn't look too good, but I think, yeah, now we're gonna get this push. This is the moment that we should dump. Five more minutes, so yes, they want to go long. Now you can see, you can tell they are pushing long. I'm not gonna move that because it will take ages to. Come on, push. Okay, thank you very much. Let's continue. Good. You know what? God damn it. Just don't touch this thing, honestly. Oh, yeah, we got it. Okay, fine. Back to $700. Even with this, basically, they robbed me here. Here was just a psychological response. That was a bad trade. To be honest, all my trades today were pretty decent. Apart from this was, and that was a psychological response. Yes, we can continue to the bottom now, and we most likely do that. Most likely do that, but we did take this 15 minutes candle, both of them. That's half an hour of trading. It got to be a little bit of a response here. I don't want to short into London sell side yet, unless I see a little bit of weakness after the bounce. See what they're gonna do. There you go. So what can I say, man? I mean, I got it, right? You all could see that this thing didn't. It's just, I don't know. I think I just had too many of them open. The computer is just not doing it right. But yeah, it was, you know, instead of plus 175, I had to take a loss of 185. I mean, now it's like a total collapse. This thing is just gonna go. So I'm shorting. It's, it's like, okay, forget it. They're not gonna do it. They're not gonna push anything. They're not gonna do anything. We're just gonna go to London. I mean, to be secure. Yeah, let's just take yesterday's low. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is half an hour now. Let's see if we're going to continue lower. We're going to bounce from here. Should be basically in a situation like, oh yeah, they all lost all the hope now, and I should get down there. But obviously, they have more time not to do it. Kind of risky short. It has to work pretty fast. Because we are shorting down there. And unfortunately, I shorted it a minute before the close of the 15-minute candle, so they have time now to fool around. They have time to fool around, but yesterday's low is tempting. They know I have, you know, this is the place with stop losses, and they should push there to cover, because all of that from the top here, this was just loading shorts, and most likely they're just gonna continue lower to cover into yesterday's low. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this one more time into yesterday's low, and hopefully this will update before the price gets there. Now they took the half an hour candle. Dangerous situation because we could bounce, but because we bounced before that, now I'm thinking, yeah, probably gonna hit that low, that yesterday's low. Hit it now. Just hit it. Just hit it. Yeah, they're competing now with closing this, with covering in front of it. I'm kind of overstaying my welcome here, but eventually this should go, according to ICT, it should go to and through that level. So yeah, I'm overstaying my welcome here, honestly. But I will get there.
At 10:40 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from Feds Williams, who participates in a panel session on a new era for monetary policy at an event hosted by the Central Reserve Bank of Peru, Reinventing Bretton Woods Committee, and Inter-American Development Bank. No text is expected, but there will be a Q&A.
I'm getting tired of that. Getting tired of this. A lot of people covering that place at that place here. Okay, let's leave it. I said out. I said out, out, out. God damn it. This thing doesn't work. No, I can't trade like this. I said out. And what did you say? How much I lost on this, in your opinion? They closed me what I wanted to be closed, which was like minus 25 or something. Yeah, correct. Okay, fine. Okay, so to summarize my trading tab, I'll just close this, I don't need that anymore. To summarize my trading. So they've done exactly the same thing as every single day at the open. Some kind of early longs push into minor liquidity and then drop. And we made $700. We made the $700 on the first trade. And to be honest, if we just walk away, we stood another half an hour and we've been down to $100. Unfortunately, because of technical issues, I wasn't able to close profit of, I think, $200 or 175 as a minimum. This is, look at that, good escape. You have to be quick. This has to push, and it doesn't push. Just get out, because shorting at the bottom here is a momentum trade. It has to work immediately, and if it doesn't, just get out, man. So that was that push here, because I didn't take the profit. Pushed here, I took the loss, and then it was an emotional trade, long, completely wrong. I realized it's wrong. I closed that, and we went short here, and we covered into this, and there was a good decision to cover that. We covered into, one was here, and another one was covered here, and that's fine. And then we took this short. I don't know, I think it was like $125 up, or maybe 150 even. I was hoping for a push into, but I can't trade long. I mean, I noticed that I can't trade more than, I don't know, like maybe an hour from the open. The longer I trade, and especially when I take a loss, I'm becoming a little bit, kind of revenge trading is kicking in, and I'm not happy with the situation. I can't control this, and there's like this element of, oh, I don't care, because when you trade with Apex, it's not your money. They are giving you money, right? So, but this revenge trading is just creating situation when you can be plus 700 at the open, and then you blowing up account. Happened many times. This happened many times to me, and I'm trying to work on that right now. And today I'm not happy, because I took a revenge trade here and I immediately paid, and I got down to my 2 plus $100. But I recognize that there's another opportunity here, and yes, it happened. So we made one, yeah, okay, nice push, and now we're gonna probably go down there. So you have to use this. Look at that. Now we're gonna push. You have to. Problem is, everything is so slow on this trading view, and I need to put this target here. Open to the bounce, and now we can push into this zone. Come on. Liquidity is there. Now, liquidity is down there. So what was this all about? This whole push. This whole push was just to take people out, to load even more shorts. And now they should drop it into yesterday's. No, they should do it. I mean, if you look at anywhere on the chart, a situation like this, it just keeps happening. We didn't know that here because they could continue, but once they drop back into this level, we know they want to go low. So we got 44, and now is now we're gonna have another 15 candle, another 15 minutes candle. So I have to close, let's say here, just below that 15-minute candle, because the new one will open, and we could continue on and grab that low.
Microsoft says we are monitoring to ensure the outage impact is fully resolved.
But I need to have a finger on my button, in case this starts to go up. Okay, we got 15 more seconds. Okay, you see it? So they will probably extend this right now. Okay, boom. So I got this $150. Now they sold. Okay, beautiful. So they sold into yesterday's low, but this is just one tick. It's not enough. We should push lower. This is not enough. We didn't take any stop losses with the push. I want to see a burst of stop losses. And everybody is competing now. Everybody is competing for this level to cover. If I had a book map, there would be like a ton of liquid icebergs at that 570 and quarter. There would be like people piling. Cover, buy. So market might just push a little bit and then we go down before it happens. Or you might have a situation and more people is gonna come with longs. There you go. See how they're pushing already. You have more people coming with longs, and they're gonna be like, "This is actually cheap," because all the longs from open they're gone. This could be a beautiful long. We buy that, and by the end of the day, we could be, at 600. We could just push through this and even continue higher. So I just don't want to change this time frame now because everything is so slow on this chart. But yeah, it's could happen now. This could be the cheapest price for the day. It could, but doesn't mean it is. You can still go and push. I would like to see this burst of stop losses come back up here. That would be ideal scenario to go now. Drop, come back, boom, and get along on that thing. But I'm done. Well, that's decent. We made $880. Oh, yesterday we were 50,500, if I remember correctly, around there. And now we made $880. So this is Trap Trader. If you like what I do, if you like my strategy, the 15 minutes liquidity sweeps at the open, seek and destroy, situation like ICT likes to call it, ICT levels. If you like what I do, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's watch this. Let's watch the market and let's learn together how to be able to grab some money at the open at New York Stocks Exchange open, and basically grab it and walk away with the money, come back next day. That's the part of the strategy. So thank you one more time for watching, and I will see you on Monday. Take care and all the best for you. Good luck. Bye.